All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to build out project number 24, Adobe XD 2022 Basics. So go to your favorite website, learntechprojectfiles.com, click on Adobe After Effects 2022 projects, go down to project number 24, which is Adobe XD 2022 Basics. We're going to click on that and let it download. Go to After Effects, click on New Project, and go to File, Save As, and we're going to create a folder. So we're going to go to Projects. For me, it's going to be Documents, Projects, and then we're going to file this same formula or format that we've been doing throughout all these projects. Click on New Folder. We're going to do 24, project number 24, and this is going to be Adobe XD 2022 Basics. I'm going to Command A to select all, Command C to copy, and then I'm going to paste that in here to label this and make sure we have the folder selected. Hit save. Let's go back to Firefox and see if it's done. Should almost be there. We'll give it a few more seconds here to finish. We're going to have a great time. So let me open up the file here. I'm going to bring this into Documents, and then we're going to drag this into Projects, and then also to number 24. I'm going to uncompress the zip file, okay? And then we're going to look at the source files, okay? So we're going to grab, so you can see here we have introduction, benefits, what you will learn, students, requirements, thank you, the promo video itself. We have Adobe XD Basics, and then Learn Tech Plus, okay? So there you go, all right? So let's go to Photoshop, not Photoshop, After Effects. I'm going to right click and click Import. Now, the other thing you can do is a keyboard shortcut. We can hit Command-I on the Mac, Control-I on the PC, and select project number 24, and highlight and grab all the files that we need. Grab the Adobe XD Basics movie and slap that on the composition, and then lock the layer. Then we're going to grab the XD graphic, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it out to here, and I'm going to slap this and shrink it down to 5 seconds. Then at the 5-second mark, let's say 6-second mark, okay, I'm going to drop in all of these, okay? Now, the past 2 videos at least, we've been doing lower thirds like right here. So we could put it over here, we could put it over here, we can actually go up here as well, or here, okay? So what I want to do is I want to keep it there. I'm going to shrink all these down to about 5 seconds. So I need to highlight all these and do that. This one is going to be kind of a quicker project than the other ones. I'm going to bring it here, deselect it, deselect it, deselect it, deselect it, deselect it, and nothing else to deselect. So if I scrub through, okay, we got this backwards. So I'm going to hit Command Z to undo that. I wasn't paying attention to this. I normally, when I bring these in, this is at the top and this is at the bottom. And the reason why I do that is that way it's kind of in order because it's going top to bottom. So whatever's on the top is going to be showing on the top in the canvas. Okay, let me save this. So what we'll do is I'll highlight all these and deselect introduction, and then we'll do this again. Okay, and this time I'll pay attention to what I'm doing. So we'll bring that over, deselect it, deselect, deselect, and then there we go. Okay, so now when I scrub through introduction, benefits, what you will learn, students, requirements, and thank you. And we're just jump cutting, okay? So 45 seconds in, let's put the graphic. And we'll just keep that running. And then the Learn Tech Plus logo. Okay. All right, beautiful. And there you go. So that is Adobe XD Basics. Okay. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.